Sarah arrived at the supermarket with a long grocery list. She grabbed a metal shopping cart and walked through the entrance. She saw a store employee named Kale stocking oranges. Sarah approached him and asked, "Excuse me, where is the produce section?" Kale smiled and pointed toward the colorful displays. Sarah thanked him and carefully chose a bunch of bananas and a head of lettuce to put in her cart. Sarah checked her list again. She needed fresh fruit for a pie, but the shelf for berries was empty. She found Kale again near the refrigerated racks. "Are you out of strawberries?" she asked. "Could you check the back for more, please?" While she waited, she grabbed a bag of apples and a pint of blueberries. Kale returned a moment later with a fresh container of strawberries. "Here you go," he said. "Thank you, Kale. One more thing," Sarah said. "What aisle is the cereal in? I am also looking for the baking aisle. Could you show me where the spices are?" Kale walked her toward the center of the store. "The baking aisle and the spices are in aisle 6, and the cereal is right next to it in aisle 8, he explained, pointing at the large overhead signs hanging from the ceiling. In the dairy and bakery section, Sarah looked for specific items. She checked the expiration date on several containers. She saw a clerk and asked, "Do you carry organic milk? I am also looking for gluten-free bread." She found a carton of milk and a loaf of bread that met her needs. She carefully placed them into her cart next to a carton of orange juice. Sarah reached the pantry section and met an employee named Bowl. She held up a jar of peanut butter and a box of cereal. "Is this item on sale?" she asked, pointing to the cereal. "And is this buy one get one free?" The tags were a bit confusing, so she added, "Could I get a price check on this, please?" Bo pulled out his handheld scanner to help her check the cost. Next, Sarah headed to the deli counter. Bo moved behind the counter to assist her. "Hello, I'd like some meat for sandwiches," Sarah said. She pointed to a large turkey breast in the glass display case. "Could you slice this thinly?" "I'll take a 1/4 pound of turkey, please." Bo nodded, put on gloves, and began preparing the order on the slicing machine. Sarah visited the meat department to find ingredients for dinner. She saw fresh seafood and bacon. She pointed to some loose shrimp and asked Bo, "How much is this per pound?" After getting the price, she decided to stick to her list and picked up a pack of bacon and a pound of ground beef. Bo weighed the items carefully and labeled them for her. Sarah's cart was almost full. She navigated to the back of the store for her last few essentials. She found a dozen eggs and a bottle of water. She also needed cleaning supplies and reached for the top shelf to grab a roll of paper towels. She added a can of soup and a tin of tuna to her collection. Sarah felt confident that she had everything on her list. Sarah approached the checkout lanes and found a cashier named Tilla. As Tilla began scanning the items, Sarah took out her wallet. "Can I pay with credit?" Sarah asked. Tilla nodded. "Of course, you can swipe or tap your card whenever you are ready. Do you have a loyalty card or any coupons?" Sarah handed over a coupon for the cereal and watched the screen. As the transaction finished, Tilla asked, "Would you like paper or plastic?" Sarah shook her head. "Neither, thank you. I brought my own reusable bags." Sarah packed her lettuce, milk, and bread into her sturdy cloth bags. Tilla handed her the long receipt. "Keep the change," Sarah said with a smile. She felt proud for completing her grocery challenge with ease.